Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Classroom app, make sure your teacher account is active and the app is updated. Once done, open the specific class and tap the blue plus or create button at the bottom right. This begins the assignment flow. You do this now to avoid syncing issues later. Make sure your class roster appears so students will receive the work. These quick checks prevent wasted steps and get you into the assignment editor immediately. You select Assignment, enter a concise title, and write brief instructions that explain the task and submission format. Next, attach materials. Tap Drive, Link, Photo, or File to include resources. This ensures students access everything from mobile. Then set points, due date, and topic so grading and organization are clear. Once attachments and settings are complete, use the Add button for individual students if needed. This is how you differentiate without extra steps. You now review who will receive the assignment and confirm visibility and grading options. Once satisfied, tap Assign to send immediately or Schedule to pick a time. Save draft if you need to revisit. If something goes wrong, check app sync and account permissions first, then reattach files if they failed to upload. If students report missing content, ask them to refresh the app and verify drive sharing. These final checks ensure students can access and submit without delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.